Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check the debug logs in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our Lightning or Setup page by clicking on this icon here and go to Setup. And from the quick find, we need just to search for debug. By going to the debug, we can find the debug mode and the debug logs. So we are interested in the logs. We click on the debug logs, and from here we can find either the log type, which is the developer log, and also the request for this debug. And here we will find the debug logs. And basically here we will find your debug logs, and you will find also the log size, which would be in megabytes, and you will be able to start clicking and choosing any debug logs and download it so you can check it. So as you can see, those are my user trace flags, and you can click on it. So I'm just going to edit, and you can find some informations, but you will need to have some loggings to for some application so you can be able to access to any debug logs. So whenever you are having errors with any application, of course there will be some debugging here or some logs that will be going here, and it will be shown in the list from here. And all you need to do is just to choose any logs that you would like, and you will be able to download it. So Salesforce give you this possibility to download your logs, and after that you will be able to see the operations that are done in this log, and from the error that you encounter or the outcome or the outputs that you encounter, you will be able to solve your problems. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.